Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe, and of course do share this video. So after Moja Love announced that they have decided to cut their ties with Xolani Khumalo and actually cancel his show, Zoktola of their network, well, the EFF has hopped in and made the nation proud by hiring him in their crime prevention unit, and he will be working in Johannesburg. So this is him finally getting his flowers and announcing his new project. So up next, I'll just go ahead and insert the video. But before I do that, do make sure that you like, you share, and of course to subscribe or follow the page if you haven't yet done so. I'll definitely see you on my next video. Bye.
I'll just say a small message. I'm glad that this thing is happening. We've been struggling and trying to fight the scourge of crime. And I'm happy to stand here today to say thank you very much, MMC. MMC has heard my cry. I've been crying, saying, let's do something. We are here to serve our communities, and we are here to make sure that our communities are safe. So, to the army that I see in front of me, gentlemen, we will work together. We won't sleep. And to all the organizations that are radical in terms of crime fighting, we will work together. Konabazayo, Yizo is coming, the last battalions are coming, Tataswaka are coming. So everybody that is fighting crime, we are speaking the same language. So Mbungakulu, and thank you very much, MMC. Thank you very much to the city. Mayor, you've done a good job by appointing this gentleman. Thank you for the voters. No.